Hello friends. Very recently in my neighborhood, a robbery has taken place, and it has just occurred due to the reason the owner of the house was not there. So the burglars got the opportunity to break the door and then enter the house, and then they do all form of miscreants. So I, being a computer science student, thought that can't I prevent this kind of situation? Because often the different people, they have to leave their house for some reason or the other. So what I have developed a small IoT product. So let me show you that. This is a small IoT product which I have developed. What is the basic concept of the product? Right now the product is not on. Well, there is something called a proximity sensor that will be connected at the door. So just imagine this part will be connected with the door panel, and this part will be connected with the door frame. Okay. So when the door is closed, both will be connected with one another. Now the system is going to be on as a person leave the house. Now if a robber tries to break the door or tries to tear apart the door, so obviously there will be a gap in between these two things, because the door panel will be open, so the frame and the panel, there is a separation, and as the separation takes place, my IoT device will be activated. Well, let me put the thing in operation right now. As I put the power on, and here it is. Okay, so when the door is locked, everything is fine. You can see the Arduino is on. Here is Arduino. I have got a relay, and here is my buzzer, and I have a bulb. Okay, because I want that the when the system gets on, I mean to say when the this particular sensor gets on, then this light will be glowing, so that suddenly the thief gets to find that the entire electricity is on at the house, and the neighbors, they will also be made aware by the huge sound that will be generated by a buzzer. Well, this buzzer over here is small one, but in reality the buzzer will be pretty big one. So that will make the neighbor alert that something is wrong. So let me now start the operation. So the door is closed, and now once someone is trying to open the door, so obviously the panel and the frame, they will be separated, and the moment they are separated, oh my god, something happens. Just see, this is a small tiny gap that has generated. This much gap will not allow even a rat to enter the house. Okay, so as long as the door is open, the thing will be creating a sound, and even and as they get associated or they get closed, everything is fine. So that means if someone tries to open the door, if someone tries to break the door, there will be a split, and the split will generate the or will trigger the whole application, and you can find the buzzer is on, the light is on, and I'm very sure all this thing happening simultaneously will make your neighbor aware that there is something wrong, and this is not what the thief was expecting. So that's how you would prevent the intruder entering your sweet house in your absence. Okay, so that was all about my IoT application. And in my next part of this application, this is the first part. In the next part, I will be sending an email notification to the owner of the house, because he or she is an absent at this point of time, so that he also or she also get to know that something is wrong. Okay, so at least my product is not wrong. I think it can be very effective. So do provide your feedback. Thank you so much.